quite a crosswind there. We landed and checked everything over, and everything looked really good. Filled up with some fuel, and now we're going to go a little bit longer out. We're going to go all trim in and just kind of take our time and cruise here and get some lift. Not have to worry about running up the RPMs too much to get lift. A little bouncy up here. Put on another jacket. Feels a lot better. Getting rocked a bit. Not too bad. Get used to it. 400 feet. Just check what the winds aloft are. It says it's 500 feet and 8. So gust 8 miles an hour at 500 feet, so should be okay. And we're at 544. About 4,000 RPMs. For you monster flyers, that might be helpful info. We're heading over to David's Friend, which is over by the Woolly Pig, past Woolly Pig. Well, over here by this tower, I'm heading straight for the tower. And they're out here plowing the fields. Most of these fields are pretty much sand, or a lot of sand in them. Very fertile soil out here, down by the river. We're about 2.7 miles away from the takeoff. 571 feet above ground. And it says 590 on FYSkyHy, so Gaggle says 1 and the other one's a little bit different. 600, they're both pretty close. And straight ahead of us is the Woolly Pig. Nice little brewery. Great people that run it. Something smells really good. They usually have food trucks down there. David, tomorrow's Saturday, and David has a candy drop to do, but we're not sure the weather's going to be all that. There used to be a runway over here, right between the trees. We'll be over there in a minute. A lot of the Amish live over here in Mennonites. They'll come out and wave. I'm not sure where David's headed, but I'm going to head back towards the LZ or closer to the LZ. And I'm still keeping this engine, breaking it in a little bit. About 29 miles an hour. Pretty much flying directly back where we flew from. Just following the same route. We'll go over here by these fields and do a little low flying over by the fields. Everybody having a good time down there, drinking beer and eating burgers, tacos, whatever's on the special wagon today. Getting a little bouncy right here. 30 miles an hour. Trims all the way in. 432 feet in the air. We'll go ahead and drop on down. See what it feels like down towards the ground. Next month is the Balloon Festival. So hopefully get a chance to go out, chase the balloons around. See if we see any bald eagles down here by the river. You'd expect to see quite a bit of kayakers down here on this river. It does have a good flow, and it's deep. Running Blue Max oil at 40 to 1 right now. Some of you have probably heard of Blue Max. There's water below, but it's maybe a foot, 2 foot deep. Of course, it doesn't take much to drown. Some geese and their little babies down there. Just walking across the golf course. Says that we've flown 19, almost 20 miles on Gaggle, and they were 0.9 miles from the LZ. And they were flying directly into the wind, which looks correct. And we're 375 feet in the air. So there's quite a few of the same things on Gaggle that's on. But we'll just have to check them both out. We'll go ahead idling about 24, 23, 25, 20, what is it here? 2350, 2360. Go ahead and drop on down. Check which way the wind is blowing. Yeah, there's somebody down there watching us. Hello, whoever you are. Wave it. How you doing? Tell which way the wind is coming, because it's just kind of crawfishing, or whatever it's called, to the side here. Crabby. Yeah, it was crabby sideways there. There's a bunch of geese taking off.